Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Honda Clarity key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any existing ones, as they will all be reprogrammed. Make sure your car battery is in good condition. Next, close all the doors and windows of your Honda Clarity. Sit in the driver's seat, ensuring all doors are securely locked before proceeding with the programming sequence. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then immediately press the lock button on your key fob within 5 seconds. Turn the key back to OFF. You will repeat this on, lock, OFF sequence 3 more times. After the 4th cycle, the car's door locks will cycle automatically, indicating you have successfully entered the programming mode. Once in programming mode, you can program any additional key fobs. For each new fob, press the lock button within 5 seconds of the door lock cycling. The car's door locks will cycle again to confirm that each individual key fob has been successfully programmed. It is crucial to program all your key fobs, including any existing ones, within a 10-second window of each other during this step. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Then, remove the key from the ignition. This action will finalize the programming sequence. After exiting, take a moment to test all your newly programmed key fobs. Verify that all buttons, such as lock, unlock, and trunk release, are functioning correctly for each fob to ensure successful programming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.